Hi folks, David from Peekskill today. This morning I stopped by CSA TECH, which is an auto repair shop located at 1563 Park Street in Peekskill. The owner's Tom Yap. Tom has one of the greatest collections of antique lanterns you're going to find probably in Westchester. He has old Indian artifacts and just tons of small items collected from around the world, shoveled everywhere. And this is a working auto shop. So what I'm going to do here is I grabbed some clips this morning and I just put them together so that everyone can take a quick look at what he's got inside of this auto repair shop. You're welcome to stop by, and if he's not too busy, take a look around. It's amazing. Anyway, to everybody who's viewing this, have a great day. I'm going to let this run out. David from Peekskill today, signing off.